Do you want to know why I stopped watching trading videos? Do you want to know why I stopped watching the gurus and all these guys touting their millions and how much they've made and driving their Lamborghinis and all this crap? It's because they're lying. That's because they're really talking through a hole in their heads. It's not true. None of it is true. There's no magic bullet. The reason I'm making these videos at the moment is because all over the internet, all I see is these guys telling you that use this system, it's going to do this. Use this system, it's going to make you millions. If you don't use this system, you're not going to profit. This system will make you $500 a day. I'm tired of seeing it. I'm tired of hearing it and all these trading gurus. And trust me, I'm not a guru. Trust me on that one. I'm really not. I've got nothing to sell you. I'm not interested. I just want you to know they're all lying. It's all BS at the end of the day. Hey, it's Rob Gilty. It's logical trading. Trading's risky. 80% of traders lose money. And if you don't like losing money, don't trade. Hey, you know, if anybody knows me, if anybody's watched my videos, you know that I keep on saying that it's a 50-50 system. Trading is a 50-50 game. There's no way around that. There's no easy win. There's no easy trade. Okay? So if you're sitting watching this video, you're probably sitting on one of the social media places like YouTube, TikTok, whatever the case, trying to find the magic bullet, trying to find the best system. And if you've got a system and it's working, follow that system. By all means, you can use my system. Just go to Logical Trading anywhere, YouTube, TikTok, whatever. You'll find my system there. It's free. You can watch the video. You'll see it's titled My System. Go and watch it. Follow it. By all means, you're welcome to it. And it's free. I'm not charging for it. It'll take you a minute. You'll know the system. Less than a minute. Okay? What the stock market is about you learning over time how to operate it. Okay? This takes time. It's not a 5-minute job. You can't just learn a system and start trading and think you know it all. It takes years of learning the patterns, figuring things out, and understanding the market. No matter what system somebody sells you or gives you, everyone's trying to sell you a course. Everyone's trying to get you onto something, trying to make you buy something, or or sell you their idea, or whatever the case. Really, I'm here. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to point out to you that trading is a 50-50 game, and there's no easy, quick, magic bullet that's going to help you trade. All these gurus out there that are touting how to make money online, how to make a quick buck, how to do this, how to do that, and every single, it's not just trading. If I look at it, it's absolutely everything. Even YouTube videos, or even making money by affiliate, or making money by this or by that, and it's absolutely crazy. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a trade out every day for people to see. I post it out there on social media. It's on my free blog, which is free to me as well. I don't pay for it. And I don't make money off these videos, not at the moment anyway. And so it's just free advice. I'm just out there giving you some advice so that you know that all these guys that are telling you to use this system, that system, and whatever other system, I love it when, check my portfolio, check how much I made, check at this. I've been doing this for so many years and I make money. That's all I ever hear. Okay? I myself have been doing this for 25 years, and I'm not really interested in telling anybody that I've made millions, because I've been up, I've been down. That's how life goes. There's no straightforward answer to that. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. And that's how it's going to be in your life if you're going to be a trader. I trade because I love trading. And the money part of it just comes along with the game if you figure it out. And what you've got to figure out is watch my big loss video, watch my stop loss strategies, watch my strategy. It'll explain to you that it's all in the psychology. Take less losses and make more on your wins. That's all it is. It's all about the psychology. There's a few guys out there that have written books about it, making it a hell of a lot easier for you to understand. So I don't want to rant on too much more, and I don't want to name names either, because there's a lot of gurus out there touting their systems and telling you, you'll make so much money in a day, make $3,000 in a day, make $10,000 in a day, and showing portfolios. I don't know if you can rig these portfolios or what, if you can somehow make them look better or whatever. I really don't know. Or if it's just luck on a day, I don't know. Whatever the case, be careful. You're getting scammed 9 times out of 10. You're going to take a knock. So learn it for yourself. Yes, watch the videos, okay? You'll get some information from them. Once you've found a system, pick that system, stick with that system. Don't use 20 different systems, and don't change your system every 5 minutes. Try and stick to one system and get that one to work for you. I prefer the price action myself. I prefer to trade support, resistance, or supply and demand. That's my favorite, and I stick with it. I stick with that. Come wind, rain, shine, no matter what, I stick with that one system, and it pays off at the end. So yeah, it's don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, follow in some cases, and thanks for listening. Have a good one, and till next time, it's Rob Guilty, it's Logical Trading. Bye.